B95.1. Ventura County, here's what's happening around you.
Hey, coming up Sunday, March 7th, the National and International Brotherhood of Street Racers will hold their Hot Rod and Import Show at the Santa Paula Airport. Event is being helped to raise funds for legal racing. There will be awards for first, second, and third places, plus free plane rides for children under 18. For more information or to pre-register, call 805-973-7207. That's 805-973-7207.
For more on these or other local events, log on to B951.com.